Hi there, this video is called Live Storm Force Winds. Storm Dennis, UK 2020. Whoa, blimey. That is a hell of a storm, guys. Storm Dennis is dangerous, guys. Take action, take shelter. You have been warned. The time at the moment is approximately 10 minutes past 6 PM in the evening. Analog, digital, that is 18:10 PM. It's the 15th of February, guys. The Storm Dennis has more or less arrived in the UK and it's here for the evening into tomorrow, the 16th of February. This is one hell of a storm, guys, not one to play with. You have been warned. Just listen to that sound, guys. The roar of the wind. It's incredible. Whoa. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. May the force be with you always. Storm Dennis is here, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.